Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are looking into an exciting topic, which is the role of the business analyst in the digital transformation within the investment banking. And if you are new here, I am business analyst, I am working in investment banking, and I am also MBA and CQF qualified. Digital transformation are shaping a lot of industry across the globe, and of course investment banking is not an exception. But what digital transformation looks like and how business analysts fit into this change. To set the stage, so let's first look what digital transformation means in the context of investment banking. Digital transformation is essentially integration of technologies in all the areas of the business. It fundamentally changes how the company will operate in overall and also how they deliver the values to their clients. In investment banking, this can range from automating the back office processes, enhancing client services with digital tools, or leveraging big data analytics for better investment decision. For example, the shift from paper-based trading to the online trading system has revolutionized how currently the trades are being executed, and of course it significantly improved the efficiency and transparency. So amongst the key drivers of this transformation are increased competition, evolving customer expectation, regulatory changes, and rapid technology changes. So what is business analysis here? So we already look what actually digital transformation is. So let's try to understand what the role of business analyst in these processes. A business analyst is actually a bridge between the business problem and technology solution. So they identify the business needs and recommend here the relevant solutions. So in the context of digital transformation, business analyst somehow I would say is responsible also that adoption of that new digital tools is aligned with strategic goals of the bank and of course regulations. For example, if the bank is looking to automate some approval processes, then business analyst will be the one who gather business requirements, document them, looking and also analyzing any existing bottlenecks, and then will come up with the solution or design of new systems. So let's look also more detail what exactly business analyst does in the digital transformation context in investment banking. As I mentioned already, requirements gathering and analysis, it's one of the core or the most responsibility of the business analyst in investment banking, and not only. For example, an investment bank wants to launch a mobile app for a high net worth clients to monitor their portfolio in real time. So business analysts will engage with stakeholders, make sure they document the correct and required the future of the application and pass those requirements to the development team who actually will work on the solution to meet those business needs. So the second is process mapping and re-engineering. Investment banks often have a complex legacy systems and processes. So business analysts map out the existing processes to identify inefficiencies and any bottlenecks. Also, business analysts might analyze the process of onboarding a new clients, which might be manual and paper-heavy to process. So here business analysts will come up with digital solution how to maybe simplify the processes. For example, implementing digital Know Your Customer procedure can simplify significantly onboarding time. Gap analysis. Business analysts also conduct the gap analysis to understand where the organization of their bank currently is and where they want to be. For example, if the bank looking to improve customer experience, the business analyst will have to conduct the analysis for the current customer touchpoint and propose digital interventions. For example, this can involve introducing the chatbots, which is a quick way to help the customers and support them in a quick interaction. So the role of business analyst in digital transformation requires a lot of tools and skills. So one of the important skills, of course, is the problem solving and analytical thinking. So here where the business analyst should approach any problem analytically and also should be able to break down the complex issues and thinking creatively about potential solutions, technical tools and knowledge. In this video, I talk about the system that I use in order to document and share my business requirements with the development team or stakeholders in general. Please have a look. So the next important skill, of course, is the domain knowledge in investment banking. Those are understanding of the financial products, processes and regulation. I can tell you one thing, that I have never been more confident about working with stakeholders or development team after I have completed my degree or qualification in quantitative finance, and after which I was able to understand how the actually pricing is happening for different financial products, from the FX products to fixed income. This gives me an understanding and it boosts my confidence. Let's also explore how business analysts can make significant impact on digital transformation within investment banking. So first, in enabling efficient technology adoptions, be clearly defining requirements. So business analysts needs to ensure any requirements or requests that coming from a business stakeholders, first of all, they has to be also analyzed by business analysts to ensure that any new requests are actually aligned with the bank's value, regulations and of course strategic goals. So for example, if bank decide to onboard a new trading platform, then business analysts will have to make sure that this platform is user-friendly and also it seamlessly aligned with other existing systems. So as I mentioned already, the business analyst, he is the bridge or gap between the business and development team. So he has to ensure that all the business needs requirements are perfectly translated and presented to the development team, who will eventually deliver solutions to that value or the business requirements. The third point is change management and trading. So here is where the business analyst has to ensure that end of the users are properly trained and aware or comfortable of using the new systems or tools. So business analyst is also responsible for creating user guides, training materials, and also provide the support to ensure the smooth adoption. So of course every role has challenges and business analyst is not an exception. So first is resistant to change. Digital transformation often face the resistance from employees accustomed to legal systems. Here the business analyst should be able to manage this by demonstrating benefits of the system and also helping employees or users to adapt. The next challenge could be the complexity of investment banking systems. So dealing with the legacy system, which are complex and very often are connected to the business processes, can be very challenging. And the next area is of course the regulatory and compliance. So every new tools of the system or any digital transformation which are being bring to the bank organization, here where the business analyst has to ensure that all of those requirements are actually aligned with the regulation and compliance. So what is the future of the business analyst in digital transformation? Business analysts becoming strategic partners within their organizations, diving into not only the process improvements, but also innovation and long-term digital strategy. So business analysts will work closely with emerging technology such as machine learning, blockchain, big data analytics. So those technologies are disrupting the traditional banking processes. So business analysts will have to ensure the seamless integration with technology well. So for example, machine learning have been used to improve customer experience through chatbots and enhance risk assessments through predictive modeling to solve specific business problem. So business analysts should be able to understand how those technologies should be leveraged to solve the business problems. Big data analytics provide insight for vast amount of data. So here a business analyst is responsible to understand data trends in explaining the customer behavior and advising business leaders on data-driven strategies. So currently traditional role of the business analyst is central around the process mapping, gathering requirements and gap analysis. But with the evolving of digital transformation, of course, we will expect business analysts to expand their role and become more innovation champions. So, as we already discussed, the business analyst will be the one who will be recommending disruptive technologies for long-term strategies. In the future, business analysts will be responsible for developing a broader understanding of the fintech ecosystem. So as the banks, they adopt more and more agile methodologies, so it's believed that business analysts, they will move into transition of the roles such as product owners and product managers, which will make them responsible from the end-to-end delivery of digital solutions. This includes managing the product backlog, prioritize different needs or requirements based on the company value, and ensuring alignment with the customer needs. The shift from traditional waterfall methodology to agile, this means that business analysts will have to develop a better understanding of iterative developments, sprints, and continuous delivery models. Digital transformation, it's not one-time project, but it's continuous evolution. So business analysts must adapt growth mindset and stay updated with technological advancement and industry needs. In summary, we can see that business analyst plays a pivotal role in driving digital transformation within investment banking, from analyzing requirements and processes to implementing new technologies. They are crucial in innovation and efficiency. So if you liked today's videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to leave your comments below. And thank you very much for watching me, and see you in the next video.